Oh, Kyle Busch is wrecked it. Oh! Oh, everybody's wrecking because it's raining on the track. Oh! Oh, my. What in the hell? I'm texting on the phone and then all of a sudden it's raining. Damn. Well, shit, Kyle Busch done fucked it. Oh, Truex got... Oh, my God. This is a JGR parade. Oh, well, Chastain has damage. Damn, how many people got damage from that? Oh, my God. This is totally 2001 All-Star Race all over again. Wow. I look up, and then all of a sudden, Kyle Busch is smacking the wall. You can take a look at it all you want. It's raining, and no one's got control of their car. Oh, my God.